So I'll start by just giving a little more detail about kind of what we're doing at a high level on the computer vision side. So as mentioned, we're doing media measurement. So this is analyzing and doing research on what advertisements and content that consumers are consuming on a day-to-day basis. This drives typically the largest spenders want to know what kind of performance they're getting out of their advertising spend. And if you've heard of like Nielsen, who sets the TV ratings, that kind of sets the bar for how much people are spending. So we operate in that sector. Our current solution has been focused on mobile media measurement. We recruit panelists in, so it's all opt-in. And once they kind of fill out a survey and qualify, they typically will download our Android application. We collect data in such a way that's referred to as single source measurement. So the goal of single source measurement is from a single user and a single panel. You basically are collecting signals and data for every single channel. So in this case, when you're looking at mobile, instead of having a solution that's scraping data from Facebook, another one from YouTube, we collect a single source across every app, every service, as well as television, which I'll talk a little bit about later. When I refer to computer vision, we are doing media recognition, not classification. So where you see a lot of demos where people are saying, doing like real-time people detection or object detection, we're not interested in that. We're interested in this user is currently looking at this Coca-Cola ad from this campaign, and they saw it for 6 seconds, possibly. So we are collecting screen data at a very high resolution, frequency. And that allows the system to basically see what the user is seeing on their device. We are also using the mic to collect ambient audio data, which is, we could pick up radio, but typically that's going to pick up ambient television ads. So if you are in a room where a television ad's playing, our system will also pick that up. The last piece of data that we're kind of scraping together is more, we just refer to it as device metadata. So that's stuff around like storage, Wi-Fi versus radio usage, battery life, location, and then general app and screen time usage.